Do you need to upgrade to Norwegian Cruise Line's Free at Sea Plus package? Knowing the answer to this question can save you hundreds of dollars, so let's break this down. Many cruisers upgrade because the list of benefits looks amazing and impressive before they actually calculate or think about, will they actually use these added benefits? So with the standard Free at Sea package, not all beverages are included, as I said. It's only included up to a certain dollar amount. Your high-end liquors and wines will not be included. Also, there is no bottled water included, and Starbucks is an extra charge on the ship. As far as specialty dining goes, you will get a limited number of dining nights dependent on the length of your sailing. So for a typical 7-night sailing, you will get 3 specialty dining nights. Now the Wi-Fi and the standard Free at Sea Plus package is a sore point for me. You get 150 minutes. I mean, who uses 150 minutes of Wi-Fi in a week? Nobody. But the upgrade is definitely a lot better, and we'll get into that soon, so stick with me. Don't choose based on what sounds good. Choose based on what you will use. So what is the upgrade to Free at Sea Plus actually going to give you? Let's break this down. And stay with me until the end, because I'm going to let you know one type of cruiser that I almost always recommend staying with the regular Free at Sea package. So the Free at Sea Plus upgrade is $49.99 a day, but here's the catch. If you're planning on upgrading your Wi-Fi to unlimited streaming anyways, that is all but the same price as upgrading to the entire Free at Sea Plus package. So for a couple extra dollars a day, you'll get the whole package, which includes unlimited streaming Wi-Fi, your upgraded beverages, which includes also bottled water, unlimited Starbucks, energy drinks, and freshly squeezed juices, which are quite nice, I might add. And also you're going to have 50% off any additional specialty dining nights that you want to have. So if you are a foodie, this is a great value for you. The real question isn't what do I get? The real question is, will I use enough of the upgraded perks to exceed the additional costs? People upgrade because more sounds better, and they end up paying for things that they never actually use. Because here's the thing, on a 7-night sailing, even a daily upgrade amount can add up fast. If you're paying an extra $40 or $50 per person per day, that's nearly $600 for a couple over a week. So you want to ask yourself, would I have spent the extra money on these inclusions anyways? If the answer is yes, then Free at Sea Plus probably makes sense. If the answer is no, or you're not sure, the standard Free at Sea package is probably going to give you everything you need. I always tell my clients, if you're planning on upgrading your Wi-Fi, then the upgrade to Free at Sea Plus is going to be more than worth your while. If you want to go deeper or you have more questions, click the first clickable link in the description below and connect with me, and we'll get booking your next cruise. And also, one of the inclusions that is the most underrated in my opinion is the included daily gratuities. You are going to pay these once you get on board the ship regardless, so you take that into consideration with the upgraded Wi-Fi streaming. And that is the price of the package. That is the price of the upgrade, so everything else is just bonus. Now this is where most comparison videos stop. The easy question is knowing what's included. Now the harder question is going to try to decide if you're going to get enough value from this upgrade. And that's what we're going to break down right now. First, the premium cruise drinker. If you enjoy a cocktail, you grab a Starbucks every morning, and you enjoy premium spirits, then the Free at Sea Plus package is probably going to be worth your money. Because if this type of cruiser is you, you're already planning to use these types of benefits. Second is the food experience cruiser. If specialty dining is one of your favorite parts of cruising, then upgrading to the Free at Sea Plus package and getting that 50% off additional specialty dining is going to be well worth your while, especially on longer sailings where you can use these multiple times. And the last type of cruiser is the connected cruiser. So if you're like myself and you enjoy unlimited streaming Wi-Fi, then this package is by far worth your while to upgrade to the Free at Sea Plus package. Because as I said before, the price of upgrading your Wi-Fi is all about the same price of upgrading to the entire Free at Sea Plus package. Now these are the types of cruisers that tend to get the most value out of the Free at Sea Plus package, but now let's talk about the cruisers I would steer away from the Free at Sea Plus package. Now if you're the type of cruiser that doesn't drink much alcohol, you don't drink coffee, and you don't need more than the 150 minutes of Wi-Fi per person, then I think that you need to steer away from the Free at Sea Plus. The basic package of Free at Sea is going to be more than enough for you during your sailing. You don't want to pay for benefits simply because they sound valuable. You want to pay for benefits that you're going to use. And for a lot of cruisers, especially first timers, the standard Free at Sea package will be more than enough for your cruise. Now let's come back for a second and let's break down the actual numbers you need to know before upgrading. The price to upgrade to the Free at Sea Plus, as I said, is $49.99 US per person per day. And here's the approach I use with my cruise clients. Step 1 is look at the upgrade cost per person per day, which is $49.99. Step 2, list out the actual benefits you're going to use, not the ones that sound nice, the one that you're actually going to use. Step 3, price things out individually. A Starbucks coffee a day, bottled water for the week, and a couple premium cocktails per day. Step 4, compare. Does pricing things out individually cost more than the upgrade itself? If yes, then you should upgrade. If no, then it's not worth your money. It's that simple. You don't need to overthink it. Don't choose based on what sounds better. Choose based on what you will use. The goal is not to buy the most expensive package. The goal is to buy the package that improves your vacation. If you're still trying to decide between Norwegian cruise ships, cabins, packages, itineraries, click the first clickable link in the description below to connect with me. If you're a first-time cruiser and would like to grab my free cruise packing list, it's down there as well. I'm Ashley Neal. I'll see you next time.